Welcome to this video, how to start a successful garden on a budget. Gardening is a fulfilling hobby that not only benefits your physical and mental health, but also the environment. However, starting a garden can seem intimidating, especially when you're on a budget, but fear not. In this video, we'll show you how to start a garden without breaking the bank. Tip number 1, start small. You don't need a large plot of land to have a successful garden. You can start with just a few containers or a small raised bed. This way, you can focus on a few plants and not get overwhelmed. Tip number 2, use what you have. Look around your home for materials that you can repurpose for your garden. Old containers, jars, and even plastic bottles can be transformed into planters. You can also use compostable items like fruit and vegetable scraps to make your own compost. Tip number 3, buy seeds instead of plants. While buying plants may seem like a quicker option, it can also be more expensive. Seeds are much cheaper and will give you a wider selection of plant varieties to choose from. You can also start your seeds indoors before planting them outside. Tip number 4, join a gardening community. Gardening communities can be found online or in your local area. You can learn from other gardeners, share your experiences, and even swap seeds and plants. Plus, gardening communities are a great way to stay motivated and connected to others who share your passion for gardening. Tip number 5, embrace the process. Gardening is a journey, and it's important to enjoy the process as much as the end result. Don't be discouraged if some of your plants don't survive, or if your garden doesn't look like a magazine cover. Embrace the learning process, and remember that every plant you grow is a step towards a successful garden. That's it for our tips on starting a successful garden on a budget. We hope you found these tips helpful and feel motivated to start your own garden. Remember, gardening is not just a hobby, it's a lifestyle. Happy planting!